to replace the needle, make sure the needle is as high as it goes. So that's when, that's when this is up. We can go ahead and unthread this. Okay. And now, see this little flat thing here? We have to turn this. So I'm just going to turn this to the left a little bit, get it loose. The whole thing gets loose very quick. Slide the needle out. And it's good to check if you're having any stitch problems. Make sure your needle is straight. Put the needle back in. Make sure the flat side is to the right. The book says left or right, but I'll just put it back like it was. Put the tip in first so it fits real well. And then slide it up there. Now hold it up there until you tighten this a little bit. And I will go ahead and use my pliers to put it back. I hope this is helpful. Thank you.